The MK Morse company specializes in carbide tip bandsaw blades. Also called CT bands, these high-end saw blades can tackle any materials you want to cut. The M-Factor GES excels cutting exotic steels, tool steels, and stainless steel. Let's learn how these premium carbide tip bandsaw blades are made. The first step in making a saw blade is loading large rolls of high-fatigue alloy steel into a band mill. These coils will become the body or backer of the saw blade. Up to 20 coils of steel are loaded into a machine at one time. The tooth form is cut using a shaped milling cutter that matches the product TPI. The milling cutter passes across the pack of material in roughly 6-inch increments. Once the teeth are cut into the coils, they are sent to heat treat to harden the backer. This is done at temperatures over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The coils pass through a furnace at very high temperatures before completing a number of tempering cycles. To attach the carbide teeth, a welding process is used to melt the carbide tooth and steel backer together. One tooth at a time, the carbides are pushed into contact with the backing steel and electrical current is run through them to melt them together. The strip is again wrapped into coil form, but a protective layer is added between the rolls to prevent the carbide teeth from contacting each other and cracking. Last, the teeth are sharpened. The welded coils run through the grinders that sharpen the face, sides, and top of the tooth to create the intricate geometries that make M-Factor GES so successful. To ensure the highest quality, the finished product is run through the inspection cameras before tooth protection is added and the complete coil is sent to inventory. Due to the success and popularity of this product, Morse continues to expand our carbide tip product capacity. We have more than tripled the capacity of the area in the last 3 years. Future plans to continue expansion are already in progress as our carbide offering continues to excel. The last step in creating GES blades is to weld the bands to the proper length for your machine. This is done by cutting a portion of the coil to a specified length. It is then fixtured in our welder and the two ends are melted together. After welding and annealing, we have to remove the weld flash, so a grinding process is completed to remove excess material. Then the finished band is wrapped and put into a box to be sent out. Thank you for watching How It's Made M-Factor GES Edition. For more information about all of our product offerings, check out our website at mkmorse.com.